Poland. What if I told you this country has everything? I'm talking about massive brick castles, ancient forests with wild bison, and cities so beautiful they look like they're straight out of a fairy tale. I wanted to see it all for myself, so I spent a ridiculous amount of money on drone gear to capture a side of Poland you've never seen before. This isn't just a travel guide. It's a challenge to find the absolute best this country has to offer, all from the sky. We're going to fly over the 10 most incredible places you have to visit. And for every single spot, I'll tell you the best time to go and exactly what to do when you get there, so you don't waste a single second of your trip. I'm basically giving you the ultimate Poland cheat sheet. Let's go. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Krakow. This place is literally a time capsule. It's one of the only Polish cities that wasn't completely destroyed in World War II. So what you're seeing from the air is hundreds of years of real, untouched history. We flew the drone right over the main market square, one of the biggest medieval squares in all of Europe. The energy here is insane. People, horse-drawn carriages, and the massive cloth hall right in the middle. From up here, it looks like a perfect postcard. Right next to the old town is Wawel Castle. This thing is epic. It's not just one building. It's a huge complex perched on a hill overlooking the Vistula River. Flying the drone along the castle walls felt like we were in an episode of Game of Thrones. You can spend an entire day exploring cathedrals, courtyards, and royal apartments inside. It's a must-do. Plan, walk the market square, grab a coffee, then dedicate a few hours to a full Wawel Castle tour. For important history, visit the Schindler's Factory Museum. On a sunny evening, finish with a walk along the Vistula. The sunset views of Wawel are mind-blowing. Best time, late spring to early autumn, May through September. Perfect weather, tons of festivals, and a vibrant city vibe. Honestly, if you only visit one city in Poland, many would say make it Krakow, and after seeing it from the sky, I get it. Coming in at number 9 is Warsaw, the capital of Poland. And this city has one of the most incredible stories ever. During World War II, it was almost completely flattened, so people rebuilt it, brick by brick, using old paintings and photographs. It looks ancient, but most of it is younger than my parents, a symbol of pure resilience. Fly a bit farther and, bam, massive skyscrapers. That mix of old and new just works. Walk the royal route from the old town to Łazienki Park. In summer, catch a free Chopin concert by his monument, Unforgettable. Visit the Warsaw Uprising Museum. Intense, essential, and one of the best I've ever been to. For epic views, find a rooftop and watch the sun melt over the city. Best time, May to September. Warm parks, outdoor cafes, and the city buzzing. Number 8, the Tri-City, Gdansk, Sopot, and Gdynia. 3 cities, 3 totally different vibes. Gdansk, historic port, stunning facades. Flying down the river past the medieval crane is surreal. Sopot, Poland's summer party town. We flew the pier to its end and saw the coastline stretch for miles. Gdynia, modern marinas and giant naval ships you can tour. Do this. Beach day, walk the Sopot pier and dine at the end. In Gdansk, visit the historic shipyards where Solidarity began, and shop for Baltic amber. Best time, June through August. Warm enough for the sea and full summer vibes. 3 incredible experiences in one trip. Number 7 is Wrocław, possibly the most charming city on the list. The Venice of Poland is built on 12 islands connected by over 100 bridges. The heart is the market square, every building a different color. It looks like a movie set. Over 600 tiny bronze dwarfs hide across the city. What began as a playful protest is now a citywide treasure hunt. At dusk, a lamplighter in cloak and top hat lights gas lamps by hand. Pure magic. Must-dos: grab a dwarf map and hunt, visit Ostrów Tumski at dusk, and take a boat tour on the Oder. Best time, April to September, green, walkable, and lively. Number 6, Zakopane and the Tatra Mountains on the border with Slovakia. Next level views. These Alpine-style peaks are Poland's highest. Flying here is unreal. Hike to Morskie Oko, an emerald jewel ringed by towers of rock. It's a must. Not hiking? Take the Kasprowy cable car, thrilling ride, breathtaking summit views. Plan by season, hiking June-September, skiing and snowboarding December-March. Zakopane's wooden architecture and buzzing main street seal the deal. If you love the outdoors, this is your paradise. Our next location, at number 5, is not a place of entertainment. It's a place of deep historical importance and remembrance. Flying a drone here is heavily restricted, but from an authorized aerial perspective, the sheer scale is undeniable. The barracks stretch on, and the tracks lead into Birkenau. It's chilling and profoundly moving. Over 1.1 million men, women, and children were murdered here. Visiting is difficult, but essential. Take a guided tour of Auschwitz-Birkenau to learn the history and hear personal stories. Best time: April, May, or September, October. Fewer crowds, moderate weather, space for reflection. Number 4, Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO refuge of primeval Europe. Ancient oaks 5 centuries old, true wilderness. The European bison, Juba, rules this forest. Enter the strict reserve with a licensed guide. Dawn or dusk bison safaris and world-class birding. Best time, May to September, lush, alive, unforgettable. Number 3, Malbork Castle, the largest castle in the world by land area, almost entirely brick. It's like 3 castles combined, high, middle, and lower, fortress, monastery, and palace. Give it half a day or more, don't rush. Reenactments and festivals are a bonus. Best time, late spring to early autumn. Number 2, Lublin, a charming eastern city with creative soul. Old town beauty without the crowds. Explore the castle and its 600-year-old Russo-Byzantine frescoes, jaw-dropping. Time it for a summer festival, eat well, and wander aimlessly. Best time, May to September. Number 1, the Masurian Lake District, Poland's ultimate natural playground. Sail for days along the Great Masurian Lakes Trail. Dock, dine on fresh fish, chase sunsets. Rent a sailboat or kayak, bike the forest paths, or do absolutely nothing by the water. Best time, June to September. Perfect for boating and swims. From Malbork's insane scale to Masuria's calm waters and the living history of Warsaw and Krakow, Poland blew my mind. All captured in stunning 4K. If you enjoyed this, smash like, subscribe, and tell me your favorite place in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.